quietness, and ride comfort. Until now, tires made for premium vehicles have been expected to deliver the performance needed for a smooth, refined driving experience. But Dunlop has a different vision. The joy of driving in total comfort, just the way you want it. Pure driving pleasure. That kind of performance is also what defines premium. Dunlop has achieved the seemingly impossible, combining comfort and high-performance handling at a whole new level. A new kind of premium comfort tire. Quiet on the road, yet made for the excitement of driving. Immerse yourself in the moment. Introducing Sport Maxx Lux. Born from motorsport, the Sport Maxx line has evolved in pursuit of next-level drivability. It's been trusted by many of the world's most iconic premium cars. Among them, Sport Maxx Lux was developed with a major leap in quietness. Every detail of this tire was engineered to create a driving experience like no other. Packed with cutting-edge technology, Dunlop has refined over the years. Sport Maxx Lux delivers a new level of steering stability. What makes this stability possible is Max Drivability Technology. With the shared Sport Maxx profile, it maximizes the contact patch on the road and utilizes the entire surface of the contact area to its full potential. That means steering inputs are transferred to the road with precision and efficiency. As a result, even small steering inputs allow for precise and responsive handling. Creating a serene driving environment. Sport Maxx Lux redefines what quiet means. The secret is silent wave technology. Dunlop combined a range of proprietary innovations to reduce sounds that reach the driver's ears. One example is the noise reduction pattern technology. By optimizing the placement of the tread blocks and grooves and adopting a seamless groove design, the tire reduces cyclical noise at the source. Without it, blocks and grooves alternate contact with the road, causing a cyclical thudding noise like heavy footsteps. In contrast, the seamless groove allows blocks and grooves to make contact gradually and continuously like a light footstep, greatly reducing noise generation. Additionally, adopting the dual slope design, in which slopes are placed inside the grooves to disrupt airflow and reduce sound pressure. Without a slope inside the groove, air moves through a straight channel much like a flute, creating noticeable sound. But with dual slopes, the inside forms a jagged flute-like shape that inhibits air vibrations, lowering noise. Dunlop also enhanced noise absorption by increasing the volume of its patented Silent Core special noise-absorbing sponge. Together, these technologies achieved a 33.9% reduction in pattern noise and 32.4% reduction in road noise compared to the SP Sport LM705. It creates an environment where the driver is free from distracting noise, a peaceful in-cabin experience, precision-tuned quietness, and meticulously engineered steering stability. Together, they create an immersive driving experience like never before. A moment to be alone. A moment to enjoy the music. A moment to let your thoughts flow. Sport Maxx Lux promises you these moments, giving you a quiet cabin where you can fully immerse yourself in the driving experience.